Hi friends, good morning. In this video, we will solve a question which says that convert a temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius using formula C is equal to F minus 32 into 5 upon 9. So, what we will do in this program? So, basically, we will do in two steps. In the first step, take input, and second, we will calculate calcium value using this input. So, let's open your VS Code. So here you can see I have written some code. I have imported a scanner class which helps to get input from the user, and I have written simple boiler code of Java. So now we will create an object of a scanner class. So we will write scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So we have created the object, and then using this object we will call a sc.nextInt function which helps to get input. So we will take input and save to the this f. So we'll write sc dot next int. So we will take input value and saving to this f. So now we will calculate Celsius. So write here double. Your c is equal to f minus, basically f minus 32 multiply 5 upon 9. Here you can see that we have calculated your Celsius value using this f and using this formula. So now we will show to the user. So right here system.out.println cal plus we will show c. So now we will run this code. So run this code. Here you can see your input taking system is working. So now we will give your Fahrenheit value is 34. Then it's showing Celsius value is equal to 1.0. Again we will run this code. Now we will give 76. Then it calculated say 24 Celsius. So we have successfully written a program to change Fahrenheit value to Celsius value. So thank you.